So before we get started, quick reminder, the indicators used by the free PTips that PT Fintech shown here, okay, is the RSI and then two different Bollinger bands together, okay? Now, I personally like to add the MACD as well, just because with the MACD, I can have a clear picture of the trend, okay? And also, I can see the potential momentum, okay? All right, great. So let's jump right into EURAUD on D1, okay? All right, so based on PTips, EURAUD on D1, RSI is at 50. Yes, it is. It's above 50 slightly, 52.2, okay? But yeah, we could consider that right to at 50. Now, the dual Bollinger bands, prices are within the 1.0 deviation bands, and the note is that it's ranging. So obviously we know that it is stuck in a range. We'll utilize the previous high as the resistance, the previous lows as a support. And yeah, I'll jot out some very clear support resistances as well, since we are in a ranging market. Okay, great. Now with the support and resistance out of the way, let's now move on to H4 and see if there's potential trends. All right, so based on H4, PTips claims that RSI is at 50. Yes, it is. Now the dual Bollinger bands, prices are within the 1.0 deviation bands still. Okay, now the MACD is clearly a bit more bullish, okay? So yeah, potentially there's still more bullish power overall, okay? But as we already know, we are stuck in a range, okay? All right. Okay, if we want to be very specific, technically the highs are getting lower and lower. Okay, so we have to be very careful about that. All right, now let's move on to H1. See if there's a potential trend happening. Okay, so on H1, RSI is below 50. Okay, it's really close to 50. It's 47. Yeah, but it's below 50, so potentially more bearishness. Now, the dual Bollinger bands, prices are between the lower bands. Okay, great. So with RSI being below 50 and then the prices within the lower Bollinger bands, it's indication of a potential bearish trend. Okay, so with that being said, this is the first time we saw a potential trend indication. Now with the MACD confirming that as well. And then, yeah, I do want to exit the trade just a tad lower, you know, right at the lower bands area of my H4. Okay, cool. That's pretty much it. I mean, the highs are getting lower and lower anyways, so potentially there's more bearishness. Okay.